everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Saylem, and today we're making Caesar salad. I'm going to show you how I make my Caesar salad dressing and how I assemble the salad itself. Let's get going. In my measuring cup, I have 1 cup of olive oil. You can also use canola oil or any other vegetable-based oil that you prefer. To the 1 cup of olive oil, I'm going to add 2 large eggs. If you're afraid of using raw eggs, you can also use pasteurized eggs. I'm not concerned, so I'm just using regular eggs. Here I have 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce, 2 teaspoons of anchovy paste, half of a teaspoon of black pepper, 5 large garlic cloves. If you like your Caesar salad dressing a little less garlicky, use less garlic cloves. If you like it a little more garlicky, add more. Now it's time to blend it up and emulsify it. I'm using a stick blender or wand blender, whatever you want to call it. I'm simply going to start at the very base here and blend. It has been beautifully blended. Super easy. Keep your Caesar salad dressing refrigerated for up to 5 days. Let's assemble the salad. Here I have 2 heads of romaine lettuce that I have simply chopped up, washed and spun in the salad spinner. I'm going to add probably 4 tablespoons or so of our beautiful dressing. I like a very well-dressed Caesar salad. Toss your salad. If you want less dressing, use less dressing. The salad has been tossed. This is about 1 head of romaine lettuce, chopped with some croutons, freshly grated Parmigiano-Reggiano. There really is no substitute. Sprinkle some of that on top. A lemon wedge. I like to squeeze some fresh lemon over top. Adds a nice brightness. And there you have it. A delicious homemade Caesar salad dressing, super easy, and a Caesar salad. I hope you enjoy this super simple recipe. See you again next time.